The most important resource in any warehouse is your people. With ShipHero's revolutionary labor management tool, warehouse managers are able to organize their teams throughout the day and even shift to shift to ensure client satisfaction. The easy-to-read labor dashboard allows managers to assign the day's workers to different tasks, ensuring even the most pressing jobs get done. Then, when an employee arrives for their shift, they can scan their unique QR code and log in. This serves as a clock-in for their shift and gives them the chance to get their assignments for the day. As their day proceeds, your employee works toward completing their task and then returns to the scanner when it's time to take a break. Once they have finished their break, employees scan their QR codes once again, logging that they are back. Because they completed their first task before the break, they can choose Ask Manager for a new job on the touchscreen. Then the manager can assign them additional work depending on the priorities of the day. Once your employee's shift is over, they head back to the scanner to clock out for the day. At the end of the workday, the warehouse manager can review real-time data on how the day went. The process makes it easy to keep track of everyone's progress, make notes of projects that need to be done, and plan for tomorrow. Are you ready to supercharge your WMS? Give ShipHero a shout and see how labor management can help you really get the job done. Visit shiphero.com to sign up for a demo.